Okay, in this next video from our small guideline documentation series of video, I'm going to present you the employees per month tab. What this is doing and what you have to do in this tab. Basically, you don't have to do any hard things to say, so you just have to select the year and select the month, and you'll have a preview. Let me just unhide this to have a better view. You'll just have to select the year and the month, and you'll be able to preview every data for that month for all the employees. So you have the list of custom reasons here, and you have the number of days for every custom leave request for all the employees. So for maternity and paternity, we have 40 days for the month of January 2024. For the leave of absence, 1 day for the month of January 2024. A small graph presentation for a better visibility. It will help you to differentiate the values based on different custom leave requests. On the second area, on the second half to say so, we have a top 5 leave days based on the employee. So we will have a top 5 for all the employees who has requested and receive full days leave for the month of January. So in January you have Sofia Martinez with 8 days leave request, the most from all the employees. Same thing we have here on the right side. We have a top 5 partial leave request hours, request hours approved, not only requested. Okay, so we have Ava White with 4 hours as a partial time of request, and if we go to Ava White, we will see that she requested on 3rd and 4 January 2 hours each day, and we have a total of 4 days, 4 hours. Basically that's all you have to do here, and you will preview every important data for all your employees based on any month, on any year, from your entire range from here. Just select the year, select the month, and the system will automatically show you how many days or partial time of hours every employee had requested and was approved for all the employees. Okay, this will not show anything because I don't have data recorded for all the months, but I think that based on January month you understood what data you will find here in this tab. Okay, we'll see you in the next. Another thing, in case you need to filter by position, you have all the employees, but in case you want to filter the results based on a position employee, like a CEO, for example, just select from the filter CEO, and you will preview only the CEOs with all their requests. Operation manager also. Do we have one? Yes, we have Daniel Tailor. He was into a delegation from 24 up to 29, a leave of absence on 4th January, and so on. Project manager. These are just dummy data, but you understand the idea. Michael Johnson and James Anderson as project managers. We see their requests, and you'll get very easy a rough idea of everything that's happening with your partial leave requests or with your full day leave requests for any month and for any year. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial, next video guideline to say so, or documentation. Have a good day.